Turn one repeated finance task into an AI workflow, and the hard part isn't the prompt. It's deciding what the workflow should notice, what it should change, and what should stay visible. On July 31st, a finance software company published a new AI workflow builder for small business finance. But the useful lesson isn't let AI run finance. Write the task like a recipe. The July 31st post describes a no-code custom AI agent builder for finance and compliance workflows. The company says general availability is planned for 2026, so every owner cannot turn it on today. It describes natural language prompts that create workflows across connected platforms. Owners need a task sequence, not another tab. Here's the simple model. A workflow is a recipe with 4 ingredients. First, a trigger says when to look. Second, a condition says what must be true. Third, actions say which records to read and what draft to produce. Fourth, a visible log shows what ran and what it touched. The company's example starts on the second Thursday each month, checks for unreconciled statement lines, pulls a profit and loss report, drafts an email, and attaches a spreadsheet. That is not a magic command. It is an order chain. Take an illustrative example. A 5-person bookkeeping firm closes 12 client files each month. The practice manager has 30 minutes on the first Friday to write one recurring review as a recipe. Trigger: after the bank feed is reconciled. Condition: no unreconciled lines remain. The workflow reads the profit and loss report, drafts the client email, and places the spreadsheet beside it. Over 4 weeks, she compares 10 runs with a manual checklist. Keep it if at least 9 drafts contain the right client, period, totals, and attachment. Revise repeated missing fields. This is not a customer result. It is a clean test design. Now, change the business, not the idea. Imagine a 6-person home services company that receives 40 supplier bills each month. The office manager spends 25 minutes every Tuesday building a purchase order exception list. Trigger: a new bill enters the inbox. Condition: the purchase order and bill agree. Then it prepares an exception note and a booking link for the person who must resolve it. Over 1 month, compare 8 notes with the source records. Keep it when at least 7 name the right job, amount, and next person. The same recipe now routes work instead of only producing a report. Before you buy or connect anything, write your own 3-line recipe. Give the finance owner 1 hour and 10 recent examples. Line 1 is the trigger. Line 2 is the condition. Line 3 is the output and its destination. If the tool supports it, preview without sending messages or changing records. Keep the format after 1 week when at least 8 of 10 outputs are complete and traceable. Revise missing fields. Wait when a task depends on judgment the recipe cannot express. Here is the reframe. The valuable part of AI automation is not a clever prompt. It is a small business recipe that makes the trigger, condition, action, and evidence visible. The announcement shows that plain language can describe a connected finance workflow. Its lesson is opportunity, not certainty. Availability is limited, and every tool has its own connections and constraints. If you want AI that actually works right away in your business, not theory or random technical terms, Qovra's free interactive course walks you through practical implementation. Enter your email to begin.